Much love, everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a scalp massage for hair growth, and I'm going to show you what oils I use and how I do it and all of that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned. As always, like this video if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. Okay, so there are a few really great reasons to do scalp massage. Like I said before, hair growth is one of them. Also hair thickness, and then also relaxation. It's really great for migraines, for anxiety, for stress. There's two things going on with your scalp massages. First, for the hair growth and thickness side of things, you're getting that blood flow. There's blood vessels under your scalp, and you're making the blood flow up there and dilating those vessels. So what I like to do to really get that blood flowing and add even more, make my scalp massages even more powerful, is I use an oil that stimulates blood flow. So I use peppermint or I use tea tree. There are a few really great ones. Those are the two that I like to use in my mix. And you don't have to use an oil at all for your scalp massages, but I figure why not add some extra, stimulation there as well. And those two are great for scalp, great for skin. So I'm really getting not a double whammy, but I'm getting like a triple whammy by using those. Second thing with the relaxation part of it is there's acupressure points in your scalp as well. I am not exactly sure where they are located, but I massage all over. So I do all the way from the naps. I do all the way from my naps in the back, my nape. I do from my nape, around my ears, all the way up here. I do in everything in between. I do every little piece when I'm doing my scalp massage to make sure I'm getting the whole area. Plus, it just feels really, really wonderful. With the oils on that too, it's not just great for the blood flow and the, skin and scalp properties, but the aromatherapy. So I like to add in something that I really enjoy smelling, and that by smelling it, it relaxes as well. Something like lavender is great. Something like rose is great. In my mix I'm going to do right now, I'm going to use some rose and some vanilla. Some people use some tools to do the scalp massage, but you do not need any tools. All you need are your fingers, and that is it. I actually did order like a shampoo scrubber thingy that will be coming sometime soon, not specifically for these massages, but you can use something like that if you want to. But all you really need are your fingers and your scalp, and that's it. Something else I like to do is a scalp scrub before I do my shampoos. I'll do a scalp scrub with sea salt. I'll link that above. That feels amazing as well. You have the scrubbing properties of the sea salt, and you're also getting the massage benefit. So you can do that before you shampoo and then do your oils. But you don't have to do this. The great thing about this scalp massage is you don't have to do it before, like when you're washing. When I do the sea salt scrub, I then have to wash my hair. Otherwise, I'm stuck with salt all over. So this you can do anytime. Okay, so let's get into the mix. I am going to use, of course, my handy dandy coconut oil that I use for everything. I think the last mix I did with you guys was an itchy scalp remedy, and I was using Quilapo. I think it's Quilapo coconut oil. This time I have this one. You just want an unrefined one. This one's unrefined virgin coconut oil, so I'm using this. And then I'm going to use, like I said, my rose and my vanilla. But I'm also going to add that tea tree in to really get the blood flowing. I just went in with about a tablespoon of my coconut oil. I'm not making very much because I like to make mine every time. And I'm not going to use all this. I will use some on my children, and then if I have any left, I'll use it up on other things before I get to my next scalp massage. But if you're massaging every day and you're using oil to do that, then you might want to make more. Just a tip, please do not ever use essential oils straight on your skin or your scalp. Always use a carrier oil. Okay, so I'm using about 1 drop of tea tree oil. Sometimes a little more comes out, but we'll try 1 drop. I got 1 drop in there, you guys. And then I'm going to go in with some of my rose. I want a few drops of the rose. I want the smell and the properties. So let's see if I can get 4, 2, 3, 4 drops. I'm on it today. Some days when I put my drops in, it's, you know, all kinds of wacky. But today it's working out. I think I'm going to put like 3 of the vanilla. The vanilla's thick, so it comes out 1, 2, 3. It comes out a little bit more slowly. So that is it. Oh my God. You guys, it smells like heaven. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, then you just mix it. And there you have it. I've said this before with my sea salt scrub. If you can get somebody to do this for you, oh, even better, you know? But I just dip my fingers like this in my mix, rub my little fingers together, and then go in right on my scalp. I'm gonna put it all down in there. And you wanna get every little piece, like I said. So once you've gotten every little piece with your oil, just hop on in there and start massaging. You want to get right on your scalp too. Make sure you're moving your hair out of the way and really getting on your scalp. Okay, you guys, I cut my scalp massage short so you don't have to sit here and watch me get my scalp massaged. But of course, take your time and really go in there, and maybe afterwards have a nice cup of tea and just chillax if you can, or go on about your busy day, but at least you've had that relaxation time. Definitely let me know down below if you have any comments or questions. I would love to know what's going on with you all. And I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you in the next few days. Thank you so much for watching. All right, bye.